Holds up to a 25-pound bird. So after you roast it in your all-clad roaster, you take it out to this platter and let it rest, and that's what you bring into the table. This is an extraordinary day. We put everything together on our Maximum Easy Pay, and Tara Tesher is here.
Hello.
She is the president and CEO of Temp-tations. She is also the designer-in-chief when it comes to all things Temp-tations, and this is an exciting day. You've never done a platter this big.
Never.
We are putting it on our Maximum Easy Pay, which is, how you doing, 6 easy payments of $4.80.
That's incredible.
You should also know this is the only order of the year, holds up to a 25-pound bird, and we've got all your favorite old world and floral lace colors, and even one for the holiday.
And I love it, David. You know, when we talk about our platters, the largest one we've ever done, I was joking earlier that it's taken over a year and a half because of the proportions, because of the size, making sure that it gets to you perfectly safe and still can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. So when you want to keep that sliced turkey nice and warm, you can do that. It can go in the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and freeze it, and to wash it. And of course, when you want to put it in the fridge or the freezer, it'll be nice and cold as well. So many great things from this amazing platter, including the shape. Beautiful silhouette running around the edges, that gorgeous scalloping. If you're picking the old world up, you'll have that gorgeous rope detail. If you're picking up our floral lace, you will have that beading that runs around the edges. All individually hand painted, which I absolutely love. And here we're showing you the holiday version that has our beautiful Christmas tree with the snowflakes and of course all of those beautiful ornaments.
And if you love holiday, I have fewer than 100 left.
Wow.
And when it sells out, it's the only order of the year.
That's right.
So we will take it off the table, and it'll be your only chance to get it for the entire holiday season.
Yes.
I have fewer than 100 left in holiday.
Wow.
Shall we look at our other colors?
Let's do it.
So we'll start up top on the top of the table with Old World, and we'll begin with Festive Fetty.
I love that. So if you didn't want the actual beautiful scene in the center, this is reminiscent of that without.
And in the Festive Fetty, 220 left to go around. I know, they're flying.
Wow.
Here it is in green. Here's red, 500 left in the red. Here's cranberry, 500 left in cranberry. Then I've got it for you in eggplant, 230. Here's the confetti available. Here's your blue, super popular. Here's the brown, the color I collect. We only have 400 left in the brown.
Wow.
Here's the spice, 250, and finally the black, 450, and holiday just sold out.
Oh, okay.
So if we can swap that out.
I will hand that off to Justin.
Now we're going to take a look at our festive choices, and we're going to begin with the one for holiday. In fact, it's called Festive, 300 left in Festive. Here's your green. Here's the red. That red is so metallic and beautiful.
I love that red.
I'm in love with this red. All these with the beaded border, of course, synonymous with floral lace. Here is your cranberry. Here's that inky cobalt blue.
So stunning.
We just call this blue. This one is light blue. Here it is in eggplant, that beautiful eggplanty purple. This one is, say it with me, chocolate. Chocolate is beautiful. Here it is in spice. And finally, holding on this black for a moment, you can really appreciate the detail of floral lace against these darker colors. When you feel this, you can feel that there is such quality that goes into each and every piece, and it almost looks like that toile pattern because it's so incredibly prominent on the darker colors and pops so much.
And notice there, David, on that shot that you have that great belly where your meat is going to sit, but then you also have that border or that trim that runs around the edges.
1,000 are now gone. We are very, very busy. This is our Maximum Easy Pay.
Wow.
You should know also this is the only order of the year.
Yes.
In case you were wondering how big a turkey, let's trot on over.
Wow.
And check it out.
How about you pick that up?
How about it?
Because the other thing, we know David is large, right? Large in size and stature. Look at that platter in his hand. When we talk about a 20-inch platter, it's going to hold at least a 25-pound turkey. Get your workout, get your workout.
Well, did you see I took one of the Brussels sprouts off? Yeah, I did.
I saw you throw one on the floor in the other one.
Wow.
I mean, come on. But this is what it's all about, right? When you have that beautiful turkey or crown roast or pork roast, whatever you're going to be serving, you now have this beautiful platter to do that with. It coordinates back to everything you've already been collecting. And David, this size was a huge customer request. We've only ever been able to do an 18-inch, and so many of you kept saying, can you, can you, can you?
Right.
So excited to be debuting it today. And of course, in this size, which is the largest one we've ever offered.
Over 1,500 of these are now gone. Remember, this is the only order of the year. How about something like this?
This is so you, by the way.
Perfect for the big game.
Look at how sweet this is. All we did was a little pepperoni, a little cheese, and everybody can make their own little sliders. So now when you're having appetizers or you're having friends and family over, you don't have to babysit what you've put out there. That's what I love about platters. We're always looking for them. We're always using them. But our platter's really special in the fact that it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. So again, look at this. Nothing was sacrificed in the making of this platter. You can still do beautiful things like your nachos where the cheese is ooey gooey. And look at that border. Look at the rim that runs around the edges. So yes, you have your center, which is going to hold all of your juices, and then the elegance in the shape of that border that runs around the edges.
What I don't want you to do is miss out on your choice or your pattern or color. Over 2,000 are now gone.
Thank you, everybody.
QVC.com and mobile apps, the best way to get through right now. You should know also, no reorder on these platters.
That's right.
This is the largest platter that Tara has ever made and brought to QVC. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Holds up to a 25-pound turkey. But think about this also. Your beautiful spiral cut ham for Christmas. Maybe it's also your standing rib roast that you'll do for Christmas Eve dinner, like we do at my house in North Carolina. This is extraordinary. Also think about this piled high with Christmas cookies.
Ooh,
think about this.
We did 10 pounds of Christmas cookies.
How you doing?
80 cookies fit on this.
80 cookies.
80 cookies.
Back here?
Yeah, it's on the back ledge.
80 cookies?
Yep. Why don't you bring that on over here?
Oh,
let's take a look at what 80 cookies looks like. Look at that. So your beautiful Christmas platter of cookies that you have made, and I love the fact that this could actually be your cookie sheet, David. You could make your cookies right on here, bake them on here, and then serve them on there.
It's extraordinary. Please don't miss this because we are very, very busy. How many gone now, Sean? 2,700.
Wow.
Now, we have Old World first, so we'll come to the top of the table.
Perfect.
And we'll take you through our color choices, and it really is pretty extraordinary when you begin to understand that this is that platter that when you need it, you're so happy you have it.
You're right.
Might not be the platter you use every single day, but what I would do in the off times when I'm not using it, leave it in the middle of my kitchen island. Maybe put a flower vase on it.
Yes.
Maybe put fresh fruit on it.
Some of your flameless candles.
Totally.
I know you love to do that. Make a little centerpiece.
Now, here's your festive fetty in Old World. 100 left in Old World. Old World festive fetty. Here it is in green. 500 left. Red. 400 left.
Wow.
Cranberry. 350 left. Here's eggplant. 200 left. Confetti. 500 left. Blue. 400 left.
Wow.
Here's the brown. 330 left. Here's spice. 180 left in the spice. Here's black. Only 350 now left to go around. These are going very quickly. Please let me remind you, there is no reorder on this year.
That's right.
Only order of the year. So this is your opportunity to get it. In floral lace, I have festive. Fewer than 100 left in festive.
I love that festive.
And you know what I do too, because it's just so perfect for the holidays. Then we've got green. 500 left. Here's the red.
Love that red.
Available. Here's cranberry. 400. Blue. Most popular.
I'm
always
not
is. Never a surprise.
Gorgeous color.
Here's light blue. Some might call that Carolina blue. I know I would. Here it is in the eggplant. And then chocolate. Beside the chocolate is the spice.
I love that for your Thanksgiving table.
Really, really
Gorgeous.
pretty. If you have any of the autumn bakers,
Pumpkin patch, harvest. Yeah.
family of colors, I'll
So
work back.
beautiful.
And then finally black on the end.
Yes.
Don't miss out on any of this. How many? 3,300 are gone now. We're very, very busy. 6 easy payments of what? $4.80. We're loving that every single item on air online is on 6 easy payments
love
today.
that.
The only exception, Tara, is gift cards.
Yeah.
Can't put gift cards on Easy Pay, sorry. But everything else is on 6 Pay. So if you are shopping today and maybe opening up a QVC account for the first time, you've seen a lot of Temptations but never bought anything from us, ask for the 10 for you promotion. Open account, make this purchase, we'll take $10 off the price.
Oh my gosh.
So now it costs $18 and change if you're a brand new customer. Now, I think
how
these are
stinking
adorable.
cute is this? Again, just having fun with these platters, whether you're making a sandwich plate or you want to just have some easy breezy desserts. We just did an adorable little banana. Hello, Tara. Banana, and of course the little strawberry and marshmallow. And then look down in front. I could live right here. This is my favorite thing to do, my favorite way to eat when you see that beautiful meat and cheese board.
Okay, I've got some updates because some things have sold out. All right, so what was the first thing? Festive Fetty has sold out.
Oh, you're going to love it.
It's gone.
Look at it in your hands.
I know, look at this.
Like, I'm not sure you realize how big this platter really is.
And is festive gone too? Okay, festive is also gone.
Holiday ones are gone.
All right, so we pop this we put these little cups on there to keep them propped up. Just so you have an idea of how big it is.
Yeah.
No comments. Wow, that's big. Wow, that's big. All right, there you go. Thanks, Jill. All right, 5,000 of these are gone now. I'm going to tell you, with a credit card order, this will, hear me, will arrive before Thanksgiving. That will not be the case if you order it next Sunday. Okay?
Got it.
Also, I don't know if I'll have Easy Pay next Sunday.
Good point.
I have Easy Pay today. This is a perfect storm.
And colors.
Yeah, and we have all the colors. So perfect storm. We've got all the ingredients for a perfect platter today, right? Perfectly priced platter, please.
Ooh, wow.
Oh.
That's that alliteration.
How did that happen? That'll never happen again. All right, can I tell you that we're super, super busy. Over 5,000 of these are gone. And Tara, the biggest one you've ever made.
The biggest one we've ever done, and we didn't sacrifice anything in what you've come to love. First of all, the silhouette. Would it have been easier just to do an oval platter? Of course it would. But truly, when you look at the beading and the border that aligns this, it's all about giving you that beautiful symmetry of the platter on the inside, giving you the ability to hold a 25-pound turkey on here, or as David mentioned, your spiral cut ham or your roast. This is truly the hero that's going to sit on top of your table, but everything you've come to love, the fact that it still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, and then of course the fridge and the freezer if you want to chill it ahead of time.
So real quickly, I'm just going to do a quick color tour.
Perfect.
Just know that everything's getting limited. Green in Old World, green, red, cranberry. Eggplant, confetti, blue. Brown, super limited in spice, and black. Jump down to Floral Lace. Here's your green, red, cranberry, blue, light blue, eggplant, chocolate, spice, and black. We've now taken orders for 6,000 of these are gone, and I will tell you, this Easy Pay is amazing, but this is no reorder this year, only order of the year, I should say. So if you want it now, order with a credit card. It will arrive in time for Thanksgiving.
And we made a ton of cupcakes and rearranged them, and they just so happen to say, happy birthday, David, even though it's tomorrow.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
I made you some funfetti cupcakes in vanilla.
I love them. My birthday is tomorrow. I'm going to be
I
29 again.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you,
Thank
Angel.
you.
Oh my goodness.
I'll wrap these up for you, okay?
Today we honor the veterans, and then my birthday is tomorrow. Although I think they're observing Veterans Day tomorrow.
Yes, they
as
are.
well. Yeah.
Today and tomorrow.
So we will certainly honor all of our retired military today and tomorrow. But this is amazing. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
I love you. Thank you so much. Hey, can I tell you, if you're looking to pick up an electric turkey fryer